my advice to MBAs, and it's been my advice already for the last number of years, and hopefully today you can see how it's a no-brainer. Try to add these skill sets and these areas onto your MBAs, right? So those of you who are doing MBAs or degrees like that, master's degrees that are broader, right? Business degrees, and you're doing, as always, as we have always done, we do finance, we do marketing, we do operations, we do all that, right? But now, I think the students that, again, if you want to be pragmatic about this, and if you really kind of want to go for where opportunities are, and where opportunities are it's only going to increase, right? Whether it's the number of opportunities or the way it's going to kind of split into all these different related subgroups, the quality of opportunities, salary, the lucrativeness of these careers, all of that is generally on the uptick, right? So remember that. And so, our recommendation generally is to try and add that piece. Now, some MBA programs actually allow you to specialize, just like this will allow you to specialize in finance, marketing, operations. Now you can specialize in data or tech or whatever. I mean, there'll definitely be a specialization in this area. And I'm sure very soon there'll be like two they'll have product related kind of stuff. Tech product will be one specialization. I'm sure like data science, statistics, all of that would be one specialization. Given how things are headed, even these things might break down even further. Because no matter how much it's breaking down and getting granular, there's still a ton of opportunities, right? So that would be the first recommendation. And the second recommendation would be, if you're thinking of, between an MBA and another master's degree, again, back in the day, kind of used to be that an MBA was the way to go if you wanted to have a successful corporate business career, because that was the degree that taught you all these different pieces. And it was there was a value to an MBA that was kind of recognized in the market. And now, that's still true, but certainly other degrees are catching up, right? And might even surpass the value or the meaning of the MBA in the marketplace. So that if you do go out and do your master's degree in, say, statistics or in just straight up data or computer science, like these degrees are going to be very, very, very well regarded in the employment market, especially for undergraduates and graduates, right? So students who are doing this as a second degree. If you're an undergraduate, make sure that you do more and more of these classes. You can major in these areas. These are ways, and again, I'm not saying for you to, I'm saying that if you wanted to take advantage of this opportunity, right, especially at a time when many students are struggling to find opportunities, if you wanted to be pragmatic and be like, okay, I'm just gonna go to where there is ample opportunity, then these are the skill sets that you should target. And hopefully, it will be because you do like, you have an affinity for numbers and for quant and for math and for coding. And there has to be an affinity for it. There has to be some level of interest in it. I'm not saying that, if you're an art major, you should drop that and go and do this.